Curls, they're as unique as you are. Ever wondered why some products work wonders on your friend's curls, but not on yours? It's all about the curl pattern. From loose waves to tight coils, every curl has a story to tell. Knowing your curl pattern isn't just about classification, it's a guide to understanding your hair's needs. Take type 2, for instance, with waves that need lightweight products to avoid being weighed down. Or type 4, with tight coils that thrive with heavy moisturizers and oils. Finding your curl pattern is like unlocking a secret language. It's a conversation between you and your hair, where you learn what it loves, what it dislikes, and how to keep it happy. So, how do you find your curl pattern? Simple. Let your hair air dry with no products and examine your curls. Are they wavy, curly, or coily? There you have it. Remember, your curl pattern is just one part of your hair story, but it's a great place to start. Enjoyed this tip? Hit that like button and subscribe for more hair care wisdom. Discover the language of your curls, because your hair is worth it.